Second time out. Watch this turn. Okay, turn, Super Bob, to Emmy. A little uphill. I see he's scuffed it up already. Fred Flintstone. Return to pedal. And I'm gonna have to help him over this bumpy road. So you're gonna hit another bump here. There he goes. He made it. Keep going, Bob. You gotta get head of steam. I see he's already scuffed it up. It looks like paint on it. Alright, I'm gonna have to push him over this bump.